Hi everyone, happy to have you guys back here. My name is Coinx, and in today's video we'll be checking out another interesting free creative plugin that I believe you will like. It is by Soundevice Digital and it is called Randomachine. This plugin is available for free just for a limited time. So if you're interested to have it, grab your copy now because the offer lasts until 21st of April 2024. So if you need that extra plugin in your plugin arsenal to enhance or spice up your production, I think you should try out Randomachine. It's a simple plugin with simple interface, as you can see, available for both Windows and Mac 64-bit exclusively, and it is in VST, VST3, AU, and AAX formats. And as you can see on the screen, it's an interesting interface. Right in front here, you can see the number of effects that it came with. This one here is the format. This is the presets bank. This one is the distort. Here is the pitch, pan, time, and ambience with this one down here, trigger. And above here is the on and off, I believe is the bypass button. Here you can see copy, A/B test section. So that's pretty much about it. Very simple. Let's put it to test and hear how it sounds. Alright guys, I believe you had the few factory presets it came with. Now I want us to individually check all the effects and hear how they sound.
On your shoulders. 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 On your shoulders.
Alright guys, that's pretty much about this plugin. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.